Hello everyone. This is the part 11th of class 10th electricity chapter, and today we will do the power voltage rating. The rate at which the electrical energy is consumed by the appliance is called the power voltage rating of the appliance. Power and voltage both will be written on the appliance. Suppose a 100-watt bulb is there, so it means that this 100-watt bulb is consuming 100 joules of energy per second. So this is called the power voltage rating. The formula for calculating the electrical energy. The electrical power is equal to work done upon time taken. We have done in the previous topic. So work done is equal to electrical energy. How much work is done, that is equal to the electrical energy consumed. So power is equal to electric energy divided by time. We have to calculate the electric energy consumed. So electric energy is equal to time को हम इस तरफ लेकर जाएंगे. So we get electrical energy is equal to power into time, or we can say E is equal to P into T. So it is the product of the power rating and time. Electrical energy consumed by the appliance is equal to the product of power rating and time. Now what is its unit? As we have the formula E is equal to P into T, so the unit of power is equal to watt and time is in hour. This is not the SI unit. We are taking this in second as per the SI units, but any of the appliance is not, we are not using the appliance in seconds, so that we are using the hour. So the electrical energy is unit is watt hour. 1 watt hour is equal to 1 watt power when 1 watt power is used for 1 hour. That means if any of the appliance having the power 1 watt, it is used for 1 hour, that means it is called the 1 watt electrical energy. Now what is its commercial unit? The commercial unit is the kilowatt hour. Commercial unit, this unit watt hour, and generally we are using for the lower appliances, but it is for the commercial purposes. For the commercial units it is kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is the power rating of 1 kilowatt used for 1 hour. That means if any appliance of power 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour, that is called 1 kilowatt hour power. 1 kilowatt hour electrical energy. Now what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. That means 1 hour is having 60 minutes and 1 minute is having 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt means 1000 and 1 hour means 60 into 60. By multiplying this we get 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So this 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. Now how can we calculate the cost of the electrical energy? कैसे calculate करेंगे हम cost? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. As you have seen the electrical bills of your meter, in that meters you get the number of units, so that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Suppose in 1 month in any of the house it is consuming 250 units, that means 250 kilowatt hour electrical energy is consumed by that house. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. We can do this numerical and we can understand this topic with the help of this numerical. Question is, a refrigerator having a power rating 350 350 watt operates for 10 hours a day. Calculate the cost of electrical energy to operate it for a month of 30 days. The rate of electrical energy is rupees 3.40 per kilowatt hour. So this is the power of a refrigerator, that is the 350 watt. So we have formula E is equal to P into T, and the power is given 350 watt, and we have done that the unit, we are using the unit in kilowatt. So we will convert this watt into kilowatt. 350 upon 1000 kilowatt, and time is given, it is used for 10 hours. So time is 10 hours, and for 1 month of days 30. So 10 hours for 1 day. So for 30 days, 30 into 10. So it is for 1 month, it is used for 300 hours. Now we have the formula E is equal to P into T, and the P is, power is 350 upon 1000 and time is 300. So by solving this, we will get 105 kilowatt hour. But we have to calculate the rate, means for 1 kilowatt hour the cost is 3.40 rupees. So for 105 kilowatt hour, we will multiply this 105 by 3.40. So the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 3.40, and for 105 kilowatt hour we will multiply this and we will get the rate 357 rupees. Now one more question is there. In a house, 260 watt electric bulbs are lighted for 4 hours and 300 watt bulbs for 5 hours daily. Calculate the electric energy consumed in 30 days. Now we have two types of bulbs. First bulb 60 watts and the second type is for 100 watt. For 260 watt bulbs, power is given that is 60 watt, and these 60 watt bulbs are used for 4 hours. So time is 4 hours. And because these are the two bulbs, so we will multiply it by 2. So we have E is equal to 2 into P into T, because two bulbs are there, so 2 into P into T. By calculating this, we get 480 watt hour. But we will convert this watt hour into kilowatt hour by dividing it with 1000. Now we have 3 bulbs of 100 watt and they are used for 5 hours daily. Same, we get the formula E is equal to P into T, but there are 3 bulbs, so E is equal to 3 into P into T. We will get 1500 watt hour, and we will convert it into kilowatt hour. 1500 upon 1000, we get 1.5 kilowatt hour. So the total energy consumed by the bulbs, for first bulb 0.48 and for second 1.5. So we get 1.98 kilowatt hour. This is for 1 day, daily, for 1 day, and we have to calculate the electrical energy consumed in 30 days. So we will multiply this 1.98 by 30 and we get 59.4 kilowatt hour. By using this formula, we can calculate the electrical energy consumed as well as the cost of the electrical energy consumed by the appliances.